Good evening, and I'm here now at the Baguio Street of Baguio, and I'm with Romel and Colori. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.